Sorry guys, this video is actually long overdue. In today's video, I'll be telling you what you shouldn't bring to the UK and what you should pack along with you when coming to the United Kingdom. So whether you're a professional, whether you are an international student, or whether you're just coming to visit, this video will be useful for you. You want to make sure that you watch this video to the end. Yeah, so let's get right into it.
First thing first, your documents. And remember to keep this in your hand luggage, not your checked-in bag. This is to prevent storage at touch and also to make it easy for you to get these documents when they are requested of you. Now, what are these documents? You should have your passport, you should have your admission letter, you should have your TB test certificate if required, you should have your vaccination record if required, you should have your certified copies of your degree, you should have a printed bank statement, you should have a few passport size photos printed out, and any other document that you think will be relevant to show the immigration officer. Also, remember to put all this in a plastic folder to prevent from spills or damage. Now, let's talk about clothes. Pack for layers, not fashion alone. And just pack for few days because you can always get clothes here. That was one mistake I made. I got a lot of clothes, and when I got to the airport, my box was over the kg, so I had to drop a lot of food stuff and a lot of clothes behind. You don't want that to be your case. So just pack for the weather. And what does that mean? If you're coming during winter, pack a warm waterproof jacket, pack hoodies or sweaters, pack thermal tops or thermal innerwear, a decent winter socks, 1 or 2 outfits for church or job interviews, comfortable shoes for walking, and a compact umbrella because of course it rains here well. So, and remember, there are just few clothes that you need to pack. Here is where people overpack. The UK has most toiletries, but you might want to carry some of the toiletries or medications that you have. That's just because you might have a unique skincare you love that you might not be able to get in the UK, or a cream or a soap that you might not be able to get in the UK. So yeah, feel free to pack any of those. Another thing I would say is if you don't have a contactless account yet, a UK account that you can use pending the time you create an account, you would need to come with cash that you'll be able to spend. Now to the important part of this video, and this one, if you can pack enough. If you need to overpack on this one, because these things would make life easier for you for the first few weeks. At least you know that you won't be spending so much of money, and I'm talking about food stuff and comfort items. So please pack a few seasoning cubes or spices that you can't leave it out. For instance, Maggi, pepper, crayfish, dried fish, gari, amala, semo. Just buy food stuff that you know that you cannot do without. Because the truth is, if you're coming from Nigeria, canned food stuff is expensive in the UK. Palm oil is expensive, so bring palm oil from home, bring dried fish from home, fried meat from home, bring some of these spices that would help make your life better, at least for the few weeks that you would need to settle in. I would advise to actually bring more food stuff than clothes. So if you can bring 1 or 2 clothes, because you can always buy clothes here, and bring food stuff. Yeah, you can get food stuff in UK, but it's usually expensive. You should come along with 1 or 2 things to remind you of home. Now, for the food stuff, you need to check the airline rules, food items that you might not be able to bring to avoid storage at touch, because some airlines don't allow some food items. So remember to check your airline before purchasing food items. Now, what's not to pack? Let's free up that luggage. Don't bring pot or plates. You can get them cheap here. And also, don't overpack jeans or native wear. Bring what you will actually wear. Okay? Skip textbooks, right? Most resources are online. No air dryers or kettle, right? That's because there might be differences in their voltage, which might destroy the kettle or air dryer. So there's no point bringing air dryers. Now, to my ladies, you might want to buy attachments. See, buy enough attachments. Buying attachments in the UK is expensive. Making your hair in the UK is expensive. So at least you know that you've got an attachment from Nigeria that can at least last you. At least you know that you're not going to be focusing on buying attachments. You're just going to be focusing on making your air. And for your food stuff, please remember to put most of them in Ziploc so it is easy for you to preserve and also easy in case you are asked to bring it out at the airport.
Yeah, guys, so those are the things that you should bring to the UK. Yeah, we've come to the end of today's video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment. If there's anything that I've missed out and you feel that other people can, bring this along with them when coming to the United Kingdom, please leave this in the comment section and we'll be reading your comments. Until next time, guys, stay blessed and I'll see you in my next video.